Hi everyone, Monisha here. In this video, I will be completing from question 11 to question 15 of exercise 3.2. In my next video, I'll be completing the entire exercise 3.2 in my next video itself. I hope you understood my previous videos in matrices itself. Let us start the session. Moving on to the 11th question. So in the 11th question, we have to find out the value of x and y. So here x into 2, 3, that is the first column, plus y into minus 1, 1 is equal to 10, 5. So here we need to find out the value of x and y. Since it is multiplication, we can multiply each and every element of first matrix with x. So 3x plus minus y and y is equal to 10, 5. So next, since addition is here, we need to add the element with the adjacent element. That is 2x plus minus is minus and 3x plus y is equal to 10, 5. So in the first equation, we can say 2x minus y is equal to 10. In the second one, you have to say 3x plus y is equal to 5. So here, two equations are there. Let this be first one and let this be second one. We have to solve equation 1 and 2. Okay. So 2x minus y is equal to 10 and 3x plus y is equal to 5. So here plus y minus y get cancels. Remaining 5x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 by 5. So 5 1s are 5 3s are. So here x is equal to 3. The value of x is 3 here. So this value of x we can substitute for equation 1 or 2. Here I will be taking equation 1, that is 2x minus y is equal to 10. 2 into 3 minus y is equal to 10. 2 3s are 6 minus y is equal to 10. So I will be shifting this y this side. So 6 minus 10 is equal to plus y. So minus 5, when it shifted, it will become plus y. So y is equal to 6 minus 10 is minus 4. So the value of x is 3 and the value of y is minus 4. I hope you understood this. Moving on to the 12th question. Here we have to find out the value of w, x, y and z. Okay. So I'll be writing the question. That is 3 into x, y, z and w is equal to x 6 minus 1 and 2w plus 4 x plus y, z plus w and 3. So first we have to multiply these elements. So 3x, 3y, 3z and 3w is equal to, we have to add the two matrices here. That is x plus 4, 6 plus x plus y, minus 1 plus z plus w and 2w plus 3. So now we have to equate the position of same position elements with each other. So first one is 3x is equal to x plus 4. So 3x, I will be shifting this x this side. So 3x minus x is equal to 4. So it will become 2x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 by 2. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. So x is equal to 2. So next, the second one. So I'll be taking 3y and second element of the second matrix. That is 3y is equal to 6 plus x plus y. So 3y minus y is equal to 6 plus x. 2y is equal to 6 plus x. So since we know the x value is 2 here, we can substitute it. So 6 plus 2, 2y is equal to 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are. Y is equal to 4. So next I will be taking next 3w. 3w is equal to, here since I have not taken because z and w is not there. So first we have to take those numbers from where we can get the answers for that. Okay. So 3w is equal to 2w plus 3. So 3w, I'll be shifting this to left hand side. Minus 2w is equal to 3. So it will be w is equal to 3. So since we got the value of w also, we will take the next one. that is 3z is equal to minus 1 plus z plus w. So 3z, I'll be shifting this z to left hand side, is equal to minus 1 plus w. 3z minus z is 2z is equal to minus 1 plus the value of w is 3. So 2z is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 ones are. So the value of z is 1. So we will write all the answers together. That is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, z is equal to 1 and w is equal to 3. So I hope you understood this. Moving on to the 13th problem. The 13th problem is f of x matrix is given. In the same way we have to write f of y, and then we have to show that f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. Okay. If f of x is cos x minus sin x cos x and rest of the thing, then fy will be also in the same form, that is cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0 and 0 0 1. Okay, so this is f of x where everything will be in the form of x, where f of y everything will be in the form of y. Then if f of x and f of y is in this form, then f of x plus y will be in the form of cos x plus y minus sin x plus y 0 sin x plus y cos x plus y 0 and 0 0 1. So now we have to prove that f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. So let this be equation number 1. So now we have to multiply f of x into f of y. So cos x minus sin x 0 sin x cos x 0 0 0 1. Cos y minus sin y 0 sin y cos y and 0. Next is 0 0 1. We need to multiply both the matrices, that is the first row with all the 3 columns. Next, as usual, the same thing we have to do, that is cos x cos y. Here minus is there, so minus sin x sin y plus 0 into 0 is 0. In the same way, first row with the second column, so it will be, here minus is there, so I will be writing minus first. So minus cos x sin y minus sin x cos y and 0 into 0 will be 0. Again, the first row with the third column, cos x into 0 is 0 plus minus sin x into 0 is also 0 and then 0 into 1 is 0. So next, second row with all the 3 columns, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y plus 0. So next is minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y plus 0. Next, the second row with the third column, so it will be 0 0 and 0. So next, third row with all the column, so 0 into 0 and 1 into 0. So here the first column will become entirely 0. 0 into 0 0, again this will be 0, and the second column with the third row, here also all the terms will become 0 here, whereas in third column here 0 into 0 0 and then 1 into 1 1. So the last column will become 1. So here cos x cos y minus sin x sin y and sin x cos y plus cos x sin y and a 0 here. In the same way, here minus is there, so I will be taking minus common, so it will become cos x sin y plus sin x cos y. So next, So here the plus, the cos x, cos y I will be writing in the starting point, that is cos x, cos y minus sin x, sin y. Next 0, here it will be 0, 0 and 1. By the formula, we can understand that cos x, cos y minus sin x, sin y is also equal to cos x plus y. So minus of cos x sin y plus sin x cos y is sin x plus y. So 0 retained as this, and next sin x cos y, cos x sin y is again sin x plus y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is cos x plus y. So here 0, again in the last row it is 0, 0 and 1. Okay, so let this be equation number 2. So when we compare equation 1 and 2, okay, so when we are comparing equation 1 and 2, so here f of x plus y is equal to the multiplication of f of x and f of y. Therefore from equation 1 and 2, f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. Okay, I hope you understood this. So moving on to the 14th question, here we have to prove that, so the exact reverse form of the thing, the matrices, if we multiply it, we will get a different answer. That is 5 minus 1, 6, 7, 2, 1, 3, 4. The exact thing which is in the reverse form is not equal when we multiply it. Okay, we have to prove that. So first I will be taking this side, that is the LHS side I will be taking. So that is 5 minus 1, 6, 7 and 2, 1, 3, 4. Okay, so here first row with the first column, 5 into 2 plus minus 1 into 3. Next again first row with the second column, 5 into 1 plus minus 1 into 4. Okay, so in the same way second row with the first column, 6 into 2 plus 7 into 3, 6 into 1 plus 7 into 4. So 5 2s are 10, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, so plus into minus it will be minus 3. So 5 1s are 5, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Next 6 2s are 12, plus 7 3s are 21, 6 1s are 6, plus 7 4s are 28. So 10 minus 3 is 7, 5 minus 4 is 1. So here it will be 33 and 34. So the answer for the LHS is 7, 1, 33 and 34. So let us move on to the RHS side. So it is 2, 1, 3, 4 and 5 minus 1, 6, 7. So 2 into 5. So first row with the first column, 2 into 5 plus 1 into 6. Again 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into 7. Second row with the first column, 3 into 5 plus 4 into 6. 3 into minus 1 plus 4 into 7. So 2 5s are 10 plus 1 6 are 6. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 7. 3 5s are 15 plus 6 4s are 24. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 7 4s are 28. So 16, 7 minus 2 is 5. It is 39 and it is 25. So let this be equation number 1 and equation number 2. So when we multiply the matrix exactly the same but in the reverse form, then the answer will not be same. So that is the thing we need to prove. That is, this matrix is not equal to this matrix. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay, I hope you understood this. Moving on to the 14th second sub question. It is also the same way. The reverse form of the matrix, if we multiply, we have to prove that the answer will be exactly different for that. Okay. So here first I will be taking LHS. So 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. minus 1, 1, 0, 0 minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll be multiplying the first row to the first column. It is 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 0 plus 3 into 2. Next first row with the second column. 1 into 1 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into 3. Next 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 4. So next the second row with the first column. 0 into minus 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 2. 0 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1 plus 0 into 3. Next third row with the first column. The second row with the third column, that is 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 4. So moving on to the third row. So it is 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 2. 1 into 1, that is third row with the second column. 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1 plus 0 into 3. Next is third row with the third column. 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 4. So 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Here 2 into 0 is 0 plus 3 2s are 6. 1 into 1, 1 minus 2 plus 9. Here 0 plus 2 plus 3 4s are 12. Here again into 0, so it will be 0 altogether. So here 0 minus 1 plus 0. Here 0 plus 1 plus 0. Next is minus 1 plus 0 plus 0. Here 1 minus 1 plus 0 and 0 plus 1 plus 0. So 6 minus 1 is 5. 9 plus 1. 10 minus 2 is 8. 12 plus 2 is 24. Here 0. Here it will be minus 1 and 1. Next here it will be minus 1. 1 minus 1 0 and 1. For LHS the answer is 5, 8, 24, 0 minus 1, 1, minus 1, 0, 1. So let this be equation number 1. So now we have to take the RHS side. So RHS, so I will be writing it here itself. So RHS is minus 1, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Into 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. So I will be multiplying the first row with all the three columns. So it will be minus 1, 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1. Next first row with the second column. Minus 1, 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 1. Next row with the third column. Minus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 0. So first one is finished. Next to the second row. 0 into 1 plus minus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1. So next is 0 into 2 minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Next is 0 into 3 minus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0. So next the third one. 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 1. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1. 2 into 3 plus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0. So minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 plus 0 plus 0. Here minus 2 plus 1 plus 0. Minus 3 plus 0 plus 0. Next 0 plus 0 plus 1. Here 0 minus 1 plus 1. 0 minus 0 and plus 0 here. So next 2 plus 0 plus 4. So 4 plus 3 plus 4 and 6 plus 0 plus 0. So here the answer will be minus 1, minus 1, minus 3, 1, 0 and 0, 6, 11 and 6. So in RHS side the answer is minus 1, minus 1, minus 3, 1, 0, 0, 6, 11 and 6. So we can clearly see that LHS is not equal to RHS. I hope you understood this. Moving on to the 15th question and the last question of this session. Here, find a square minus f5a plus 6i if a is equal to this matrix has been given. So we need to substitute to find the value of this whole equation. Okay. So first here a square is there. So we have to multiply the a matrix twice. So I will be multiplying that first. So a square means a into a. So therefore, so it is 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1 minus 1, 0. So we have to multiply the same matrix twice. 2, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1 minus 1, 0. So first row with all the three columns. So 2 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Next is 2 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. Next 2 into 1 plus 0 into 3 plus 1 into 0. So next is second row with all the three columns. 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 3 into 1. 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1. So next 2 into 1 plus 1 into 3 plus 3 into 0. So next 1 into 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1. 1 into 0 minus 1 into 1 plus 0 into minus 1. Next 1 into 1 minus 1 into 3 plus 0 into 0. So here 2 2s are 4 plus 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 0 minus 1 and 2 plus 0 plus 0. Next is 2 2s are 4 plus 2 plus 3. 0 plus 1 minus 3. 2 plus 3 plus 0. 2 minus 2 plus 0. 0 minus 1 plus 0 and 1 minus 3 plus 0. Therefore, the value for a square is 5 minus 1, 2, 9, minus 2, 5, 0, minus 1 and minus 2. So a square is 5 minus 1, 2, 9 minus 2, 5, 0, minus 1 and minus 2. So now we have to find out the value of this equation, that is a square minus 5a plus 6i. So a square we have already found out, that is 5 minus 1, 2, 9 minus 2, 5 and 0 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 5 into, again we need to write a matrix 2 0 1, 2 1 3 and 1 minus 1 0 plus 6 into I. So 1 0 0, 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. So 5 minus 1 2, 9 minus 2 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2. So we need to multiply this one. So it will become, so I will be multiplying each of the element by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 0 0, 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 into minus 1, 5 minus 5, 5 into 0, 0. So next plus 6 0 0, 0 6 0 and 0 0 6. So you have to know the value of I. So the value of I if it is 2 into 2 matrix, okay, so the value of I for 2 into 2 matrix is 1 0 0 1. So this is 2 into 2 matrix. The value of I for 3 into 3 matrix is this one. Okay, I hope you understood this. This is a 2 into 2 matrix and this is 3 into 3 matrix. So next we have to solve this. Here first we have to subtract these two things and again we have to add it. Okay, so first element with all the first adjacent element. So it will become 5 minus 10 here plus 6. Okay, in the same way minus 1 minus 1 minus 0 and plus 0. So next is 2 minus 5 plus 0. So first row is finished. Next we have to move through the second one. 9 minus 10 plus 0, minus 2 minus 5 plus 6 and 5 minus 15 plus 0. So second row is finished. Moving on to the third one. 0 minus 5 plus 0, minus 1 minus of minus, minus into minus is plus 5 and plus 0. Next is minus 2 minus 0 and plus 6. So all the three rows I have taken. First one for subtraction and then addition. So it will become, so 6 plus 5 is 11 minus 10. Here minus 1. Next is zeros. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Next 9 minus 10 is minus 1. Here minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7 plus 6. Here 5 minus 15 is minus 10. So 0 minus 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. And 6 minus 2 is 4. So 11 minus 10 is 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, minus 1, minus 10, minus 5, 4 and 4. So the answer is 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, minus 1, minus 10 and minus 5, 4, 4. So this is the answer for a square minus 5a plus 6i. I hope you understood this. If you have any queries or suggestions, please comment me on the comment section below. Thanks for watching my videos. Monisha signing off.